Hi guys, so welcome back to Mathematics Africa. So this video is powered by Tech Academic. So this is the beginning of this particular topic called psychogeometry. So guys, so if you're just watching our class for the first time or visit this channel for the first time, you want to like, subscribe, also turn your button in case what share benefit like this, you'll be the first one to be notified. Okay, as I said earlier, this video is powered by Tech Academic. So this is the first question for the under this topic for this year WAEC examination, WAEC or NECO examination. So guys, if you are just joining us, as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also share this video to your friends to benefit for this particular video. So we have 15 questions to solve under this topic. So you're welcome once again, and don't forget to subscribe, like, or turn your button. And if you're a serious student, you can watch this video to the end. Well, because you understand this content, and if you don't understand any part of this video, you can let me know in the comment section. So without wasting much of time, in this particular video I will solve 2 questions or 3 questions, so because of the length of this video right now. So maybe look at this question, and we have this question like this in psychogeometry. How we solve this? So we have the diagram, and say in the diagram O is the center of the circle. If PQ is parallel to, if the PQ is parallel to RS, and our angle ONS, that is angle ONS, is equal to 140 degrees. So here we have our 140 degree here. So we want to find the size of our POM, the size of angle POM, that is POM. So it means that we want to find the angle here. So how we solve this question on? It's very simple. First thing you have to observe here, now we have a circle geometry here and we have the diagram here. See the statement that says that this our PQ, okay, and our R is parallel to, this means that they are parallel to each other. So it means that they have the same measurement of what? Of length. So this place is parallel to this. I get now. And when you have this one is parallel to this, what you have to consider in this diagram here, we already give you this. You want to find the angle here. According to this, we want to find the angle. We have to find the angle POM, which is angle at this place. So you can say our POM to be what? S. So let's say this angle here is what? It's S degree. So we want to calculate our angle S degree here. So to solve this is very simple. If you still remember angle on a polygon. So if you have a 2 parallel line, okay, this is too close. We have a 2 parallel line, and we have a traverse line that says that the angle here is equal to the angle here. Okay, this angle is called what? Alternate angle. The angle here is equal to the angle here. It is called alternate angle. So the angle that look like what? Alternate angle look like what? Z. So it means that the angle here is equal to what? The angle here. If the angle here is equal to S, the angle is going to be what? Is equal to what? S. So if you apply it in this place, since they are parallel to each other, so if you have it like this, we have our Z that look like Z here. So it means that the angle here is equal to the angle here. Okay, the angle here is equal to the angle here because we have our angle PON is equal to our angle ONM. They are equal to each other because they are alternate what? Angles. So if we still have another alternate angle here, which means that the angle here POM is also equal to OMN. The angle here POM is equal to OMN. So it means that the angle here is equal to what? The angle here. So if we get the angle here, then we get our angle POM. So how we get this angle here is very simple. So let's just apply the first step we do here. When you see a question like this, first thing, you already know only one angle here, and the angle here is because we have the angle here, the full angle here is what? 140 degrees. So how we solve it now? You know, if you look at this line, this is a straight line. So you can say that this angle, we don't know the angle, you can say this angle is Y. Okay? And we have a straight line here. We have 2 angles on this straight line, the angle 140 and this angle we don't know here is what? It's Y. So to get to our Y here, you know, angle on a straight line is equal to what? 180. So which means that our first step here, let's solve it to get this angle here. We need this angle here to solve what the remaining angle we have here. Okay, so to get this angle y, is equal to y plus 140 is equal to what? 180, because, okay, let me write this very well, 180, because angle on what? On the straight line is equal to what? 180 what degree. So definitely now, we want to make y as a formula, that the y is equal to, that is 180, takes on the other side, will give us minus what? 140. So 180 minus 140, so we have our y is equal to what? 41 degree. So it means that our y here is equal to what? 40 what degree. So you have 40 degree here. Okay, do you understand now? So let's go further. Since I've gotten this one is 40 degree, so I will say that this place is a alternate angle to this, but we are not level, we are not cosine of this. We only have what to get our answer here, POM, and we don't know it. So the second thing to consider here, since this place is O here is the center or is the center of the circle, and you know a line that jumps from the center of the circle to the circumference is called what? A radius, which means that the line that jumps from this place to this place, any part of the circumference is called what? Radius. So this way we have radius here. The same thing here, we also have what? Radius here. So it means that we have two radius here, that's what? Radius. So in this place, since the length here is equal to the length here, so it means that this place and this place, they are equal to what? To each other, because they are both what? Radius. So if this place is 5 centimeter, definitely this one to give us what? As 5 centimeter. And if you still remember the triangle, the type of triangle, they have what? Two sides equal. It is called what? Isosceles what? Triangle. So you know in isosceles triangle, the base angle here is equal to the base angle here. If the base angle here is S, so definitely going to be what? S, because they are equal lengths. Okay, so it means that the angle here is equal to what? The angle here. So definitely in this place, the angle here is equal to the angle here. So which means that the angle here is 40 degree. Since I've got the 40 degree, so definitely the angle here is equal to what? 41 degree, because what? They are base angle of isosceles what? Triangle. So since I've gotten this is equal to 40 degree, it's very simple now. So we have get our answer here. To get our angle POM, our angle POM is equal to this, because the alternate, this place is alternate angle to this, and alternate angle to this, and the alternate angle is equal to what? They always what? Equal. So which means that the angle here is equal to the angle here, so it will be equal to the angle OMN is equal to angle OMN. So which means that the angle OMN is equal to 40 what? Degree. So it means that this place is equal to this because they are alternate what? Angles. So therefore our POM is equal to what? 41 degree. So in this place we have 40 degree here, and it's equal to what? This. That is equal to what? Alternate angle. So our answer to this question is equal to 41 degree. So that is how you solve the question like this. So you can let me know in the comment section if you understand, and if you don't understand, let me know. Okay guys, so let's go to the second, before we go to the second question. So if you are just watching our platform or just visit this channel for the first time, just watch our video for the first time, do it to subscribe, like, also and share button. In case what, if you are benefit like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay guys, let's go to the next question of the day.